Hey, what's up guys, it's me Adarsh back again at another video, and in today's video we have got you the Nokia 5. Yes, and without any further ado, let's get started. By the way, this video is sponsored by LinkZone. Create an account or log into LinkZone where you can connect with your workplace, friends and family and with other people around the world. Share your all documents and manage your business at fingertips. The link for this website will be in the description below, so do check it out.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now?
Yeah, starting out with its design and in-hand feel, which is pretty good. In the front, there is a front camera of 8 megapixel and necessary sensors along with an earpiece. Moving down, you can see a screen which is display of 5.2 inches IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen which has a protection of Gorilla Glass 2 with a resolution of 720 by 1280 pixels. Also, you can get to see the navigation keys and home button out of the screen, such as the back key and the multitask key. This system runs on Android 7.1 Oreo, which is furthermore interesting with stock Android, which I'll get back to you later at this video. Now let's move down to the phone. That is, at the bottom it has micro USB 2.0 for charging and data transfers. And moving on to the top, where it has 3.5mm headphone jack, which is great. On the left hand side of the phone, it has SIM card and SD card slot. On the right, you can get to see the volume rockers and power button, which aren't tactile but rigid. On the back of the phone, you can see a camera of 13 megapixel shooter with dual LED dual tone flash. When talking about the camera, it should be told that there aren't much features to use in it, but just a simple camera app, and the photos taken with it are fairly good. Also, I forgot to mention that there is a fingerprint sensor which is mounted in the front home button, and it is an active fingerprint sensor, which means it can work while the screen is off. Now let's get into the phone's main specifications. Under the hood, the phone runs on octa-core 1.4 GHz Cortex A53 chipset, and GPU is Adreno 505, which results good in its performance. I did not get into any kind of lag at its initial usage. And yes, it runs on stock Android, which is cool because I love stock Android as it doesn't have much of bloatware in it and its UI will be clean in its usage. Just note that this is just my opinion and it may differ from person to person regarding their preferences and usages. When you use a phone of stock Android, you get most out of the phone storage. By the way, this phone has a storage of 16 GB and microSD card expansion of about 256 GB. The main advantage of stock Android is that you get security patches and updates regularly throughout until it gets old. The in-hand feel of the phone is very light and slippery because on the front it is a glass and on the back it is made up of plastic. Overall, I can say that it is a mid-range phone for the people who need a phone with latest software inside and lower mid-range SoC on it, which means the chipset. Although running on Snapdragon 430, the phone don't count below on any specifications compared to the latest smartphones in the market, rather than the part of camera is concerned. And that is why the smartphone is now competing with other phones in the market to some extent. As far as the camera is concerned, it provides pretty good bokeh effect and does well in lighting conditions, and not much of that at low lighting conditions. So they can't be declared as bad cameras because I'll be testing them more and letting you know about it very soon. The build quality is what that everyone of you are concerned at because you need a solid and grippy phone in hand. So here the build quality isn't premium, but it is good, where the phone is very much slippery while holding in hand, as I told you earlier, because of the plastic on the back panel of the phone, which can be managed with a case. Not only that, this phone is also thinner and bigger when holded in hand. So guys, that's it for this video, and thanks a lot for watching this video. If you liked it, please be sure to smash that like button and comment down below. Your comments are really making me motivated to make more videos just like this. It is not the views or likes, but the comments which means a lot for me. So yeah, until I see you in the next one, this is Adarsh signing out.